coming to future, I think a lot of counseling is required to Indian students, especially at the undergraduate level. The second level, I would say, is at the cooperation at industry level. Even at university level, I think Indian students going to Japan is okay. But I believe many more Japanese students have to come to India to learn our jugaad system. No matter what the future, both sides have to understand the differences. We are not a uniform society. We are not a homogeneous society. Our one solution fits all doesn't work. Now this has to be understood. Of course, there are difficulties, but learn, keep on doing, keep on doing, keep on doing, keep on sending Japanese students.